Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! Sa mga kasama kong mga OFW na nagtatrabaho dito sa Dubai, hello po sa inyo! Nandito po ako ngayon sa kitchen, nagpe-prepare ng dinner namin. Since na umalis si ma'am, nagbili na lang siya sa akin na lulutuin ko na lang itong dinner namin for tonight. So, gagawa ako ng pork curry. So, mga kailangan natin sa pagluto is ayan, some garlic, white onion, some potatoes, then curry powder, tapos organic pork, tapos lagyan ko ng grilled vegetable mix from Essential Waitrose, then some pepper and salt. Lulutuin ko siya guys in English way. So, ay papakita ko sa inyo kung paano magluto guys. Okay, see you! So guys, mag-umpisa na tayo ng luto. Gamitan natin ng olive oil. Konting olive oil. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung garlic. Tapos, white onion. Next is ang pork. Try a little bit lang. Para mag-brown lang siya. Ilagay na natin ang curry powder. Hi guys, nandito na yung pork curry natin. Pinalipat ni ma'am sa slow cooker. So, ayan siya. Kasi mamaya pa naman ang dinner namin. So, at least dito, dahan-dahan siyang maluluto. So, dyan lang muna siya. At nang maiwanan ko siya. At ako'y may gagawin pa. Okay guys, see you! We need magic powder.
We put the coconut milk, and then we need the potato
Starch
starch
to
thicken
it.
Yeah.
But for now, we will put this on high to bring that temperature up and let it start boiling, and then once it starts boiling, we put some coconut and turn it down. I mean, potato starch, and then we turn it down. There's lots of gravy in here.
Okay, this is the one that we call magic powder, the potato starch. And look, it's very creamy. Our pork curry. This is the English way of curry. Yes, my mom said. Okay. So, ito yung rice namin tonight, guys. Coconut and sesame masbate rice. So, ito yung partner ng pork curry namin tonight. Ito yung dinner namin. Gluten-free siya. So, ayan. I-ready lang siya within 2 minutes. Tapos, ready na. Kain na. See you! Dinner's ready! Let's eat, guys!